myself Vishvendra, the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today we shall discuss about potential energy stored in a spring. So let's start with the physics of the situation first. So you have seen that when you stretch a spring or compresses it, internal restoring forces are developed in the spring, and potential energy of the spring changes because of change in internal distances. So it's because of interatomic forces because of which elastic potential energy changes, and that energy is retrieved when you connect that system to a mass. So you just stretch a spring, connect it to a mass, just leave that. What will happen? The mass will gain a kinetic energy. So it is because of the potential energy stored in the spring, and which is itself stored in the space-time curve. Every source of energy is in the space-time curve itself. So let's now discuss the mathematics of the system. So suppose there is a mass capital M which is connected to a spring of a spring constant K. So this potential energy by proper derivation, it comes out to be U0 plus half kx square, where U0 is potential energy of the system when system is in equilibrium. U is potential energy of a spring when extension is x, K is spring constant, x is extension of compression in spring. Now let's discuss the graphs. So the graph between U and x at constant x will be a parabola, as you can see from here. So three cases are possible. If U0 is positive, the vertex will be here. If U0 is 0, it will cross the origin. If U0 is negative, it will cut the U-axis at this point. So in this way you can draw the graph. We also can draw the graph between U and K. So if x is constant, the graph between U and K will be straight line, because U and K are related by a single degree equation. So this will be the graph. Based on the values of U0, we have three graphs possible. Suppose it makes an angle theta, then tan theta is equal to x square by u2. So this is how you have seen that how information should be stored on your mind. Make sure that whatever you learn one word, one line, one para, one page, or even one book. Whatever you learn, make sure that you learn in a proper and systematic way, and practice again and again, so as to ensure that you have strengthened your memory circuits, so that you can retrieve that information when it will be asked. Most of the students fail in competitive exams because their mind don't have the capacity to retrieve the information. They forget what they studied when they appear for the test, and they are not able to perform. The successful students are very clever. They practice again and again to retrieve information from their mind, which is the only difference, the only secret between successful and unsuccessful students. So decode the secret and end up with flying colors. Thank you and have a nice day.